Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon on your iPad Pro. It's an exciting way to enjoy this popular racing game on the go, transforming your tablet into a powerful gaming machine. We'll cover everything from setting up your cloud gaming service to connecting a compatible controller, ensuring a smooth and immersive experience. Get ready to hit the open roads of Mexico from anywhere you choose, with just a few simple steps. To begin your Forza Horizon adventure on iPad Pro, you'll need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This premium service unlocks the power of cloud gaming, allowing you to stream hundreds of titles, including Forza Horizon 5, directly to your device. Make sure your internet connection is robust, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, to minimize latency and ensure a seamless, high-quality streaming experience. For the best experience, connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller is crucial. While touch controls are an option, a physical controller, such as an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, provides far greater precision and immersion. Simply pair your controller with your iPad Pro via the Bluetooth settings, and you'll be ready to navigate the vibrant world of Forza Horizon 5 with familiar controls. With your subscription active and controller paired, you're just moments away from playing. Open your preferred web browser on your iPad Pro, like Safari, and go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Log in with your Microsoft account associated with your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. From there, simply select Forza Horizon 5 from the extensive game library, and within seconds, you'll be racing across Mexico's stunning landscapes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.